Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming account and device readiness. Sign into the same Google account on your PC and on the Android device, and install Chrome plus the Chrome Remote Desktop Host on the PC and the app on Android. Once done, open the Host app on the PC, enable remote access, and create a numeric PIN. Make sure it's memorable but secure. You're now set to move from setup into initiating a remote session. Next, you perform the connection. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop app on Android. The app scans and lists available computers tied to your Google account. Tap the computer you prepared, and when prompted, enter the PIN you created on the host PC. If network speed is slow, change quality settings to optimize responsiveness. Make sure the host PC is awake and not asleep, otherwise the app cannot connect even with correct credentials. To finish, you control the PC from Android using the on-screen toolbar for keyboard input, clipboard syncing, and file sharing, and you end the session by disconnecting in the app. If something goes wrong, first make sure the host PC is powered on, connected to the internet, and that Chrome is allowed through any firewall. If still blocked, restart the host service and recheck the Google account. That usually resolves authentication or device visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.